Well, the Monza concept for us is a vision for the future, looking out about 10 years from now. And what you can clearly see, the form language which we have evolved over the years from 2009 until today into the whole portfolio of Opel. Behind us, you see the next level of evolution. Sculptured artistry meets German precision. This is our philosophy, and we clearly stick with this and go on. And behind me, you see the next step in the evolution of that strategy. For us, very important is all the Opels, they have certain virtues, and one of them is functionality, where we didn't want to get off at all. So we have a four-seater concept where we want to make sure that it's a full four-seater, easy egress, and that's why you see you can get easy in through the gullwing doors, to the big wing doors. You can walk into the cars. The rockers are really tapered in. And the same is in the roof area. Then additionally, we call it sports brake. This configuration for the body style gives us the freedom of having enough head clearance for the rear passengers. So this car inside has more inter-roominess than a D-Class sedan, for example, and has a sporty look of a coupe. And this is clearly displayed with this very dynamic line, this aluminum line describing the DLO in the upper area, but then having in the roof area this sports brake center line, which gives you quite a few advantages in aerodynamics as well. So for us, dynamic, dramatic, sculptural look combined with pure functionality in a very optimized, balanced way, that was the key for the general concept of the Monza.
The exterior surface language follows still our design philosophy, sculptural artistry, but it brings it to the next level. For us, it was important not to do a revolution, we wanted to do an evolution of the Opel design philosophy. And I think that we did a pretty good job on this. You can see beautiful sculptured surfaces with only a few main lines, and that's our philosophy. On the headlamp, you see the Opel wing-shaped signature light, which you can see on all our exteriors. And this is still the main part of our exterior design. The Greyhound dog is a very sporty animal, and we try to capture the feeling of the sportiness and the lightness of this animal in the car. You can see it basically on the volume of the car. It looks quite proud on the front, and then it goes to the rear wheels. The surface goes inboard, and it gives you like the feeling that the Greyhound dog has as well. And that makes the car look light and very sporty and athletic.
One of the challenges was to visualize the main opportunities that this package offers. So we basically have a very dramatic exterior body shape, but we still have interior space comparable to an Insignia. So you have a very generous ingress egress. You don't have to squeeze in the back row. You can basically walk into it, and also because of this tapering exterior shape, it offers a lot of opportunity to ease the ingress egress. A big improvement came from actually technology, so this 3D shaped screen design used on the IP offered a lot of opportunities to clean up the whole interior, to get rid of a lot of buttons, to get rid of a lot of square shapes that screens normally do. So we could basically clean up the interior and make a very exciting and lightweight looking sculpture. The materials should basically create a balance between, like the original Monza, between premium atmosphere and sportiveness and active driving situations. And we use a lot of like cold grey leather in combination with very warm wooden panels that are very sculptural surface, and it's actually a new technology. You can use very thin layers of veneer and transform it to very sculptural surfaces that wasn't possible in the past. So we could use this on very big surfaces in the interior to create a very warm and nice atmosphere without basically wasting resources, and it isn't milled out of a full block of wood. It's a very sensitive material. The main thing about the HMI is that it's fully configurable. You not have the division between an instrument cluster, a central stack, and passenger entertainment. Everything is connected in one system. The passengers can use iPads to basically synchronize with entertainment content, or the instrument cluster could be enlarged or fully configurable with maps or with driver-related functions. I think you already see on the new Insignia and on the Adam that we're basically going a huge step forward with like mobile device integration, and I think that's the future, because the development speed of these mobile devices is so quick. We basically integrate these devices into the interior via wireless connection and Bluetooth, and we can use the Siri eyes-free voice recognition, so you have your hands on the steering wheel and you're not confused by too many buttons, and you can always load apps and be up to speed without basically buying a new car or a new interior.